Namaste student, here we have the last part, that is the fourth part of the coordinate geometry, questions with answer. First question, what is the name of the horizontal and the vertical line drawn to determine the position of any point to the Cartesian plane? Here for horizontal line, we call x-axis, horizontal line we mention like this, horizontal line, x-axis, and vertical line, we say here, y-axis. Next, which of the following points lie in the fourth quadrant? Now the fourth quadrant sign, you need to see the symbol. Fourth quadrant symbol are what? Plus and the minus. Why, sir? If we draw this one, 1, 2, 3, and the fourth quadrant, if you see here, this is your plus plus, minus plus, minus minus, and plus minus. So look at here the points which have plus minus symbol. First one is your x and second one is your y. So here the first one, if you'll see, that is plus minus, so this is your plus, this is first point, that is a 6 minus 8 is the first point, and find another is there. Yes, we have, that is a 7 minus 3, 7 minus 3. These are the points which lie in the fourth quadrant. Next problem, name the figure obtained by joining the points minus 5, 0, 0, 5 and 5, 0 in the Cartesian plane. Can you guess? You'll say, sir, there are 3 points. Shall I say triangle? Yes, it is a triangle, but it is a special case. You need to see that one first and then you need to decide, because by 3 points definitely we'll get triangle, but which type of triangle? So here we have the figure. You can look at the figure here. So that by looking the figure, you can see here the distance here, this one and this one are equal, but this is quite different. So this is your isosceles triangle. So here we need to mention, and in exam also for long type question it may ask you to draw the graph by joining the points of this one. So first you get point, that is a 5, 0, minus 5, 0 and 0, 5, and then join it with the help of ruler, and this will be your required answer. So here for this one, what we're going to write? Isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Next we have name the figure obtained by joining the points 0, 0, 5, 0, 0, 3, 5, 3 in the Cartesian plane. If you look at that, there are 4 coordinates. That means if you join them, you will get quadrilateral. And what type of quadrilateral? So first we'll plot this one. After plotting, we'll check that which type of quadrilateral it is. So here we have, if we'll go with this problem phone number, you can see first is your 0, 0, coordinate 0, 0. So this is your coordinate 0, 0. Next is 5, 0. Here we have 5, 0. And next is 0, 3. So this is your 0, 3. This is your x is 0 and y is 3. So 0, 3, and the last is 5, 3. So 5, 3. And if you look at here, 90 degree, each 90 degree, and both sides are equal. 1, 2, 3 unit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 unit. If area would be asked to you, find the area of this figure after drawing this figure. So in exam for higher marks, the question will be asked like that. Plot the point in the graph or in the Cartesian plane. Give the name of this figure obtained by this joining this point, and find the area. And to find the area, see, we have formula. As you can see that this is your rectangle. So area of rectangle is what? Length into breadth. So here if you look at the length, this is your length. Find it. How many units are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 units. So you write here 5. And here 1, 2, 3. So we'll write here 3. And here we'll mention square units. So your answer is 15 square unit. This will be your answer. And if you look at previous one, if it is asked you find the area, to find the area of this triangle, we know the formula. What? Area of triangle is half into base into height, and to find this one we need base. So here look at the base. So how many are there? If you look at here, this side 5 units and this side 5 units. 5 plus 5, 10 unit. This is your base, so right here 10. And the height is this one. You can see this is your height. So how many unit is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will mention here, cancel here, and we'll mention here square unit. As it is the area, so we need to write here square unit. So your answer is 25 square unit. This question is there in your what we call as Chan book, that plot the point on the graph, find the area of the special figure obtained by this plotting the points. So next problem will enter, that is name the figure obtained, that is the fifth number, name the figure obtained by joining the points 0, 0, 5, 0, 0, 5, 5, 5 in the Cartesian plane. If you look at here, we can see we are getting square. And to find the area of square, so how are we going to find area of square? So we have a formula, that is a side into side. So we'll mention here side into side, that means 5 into 5, you can see that 5 unit, 5 unit. So 5 into 5 square unit, that is 25 square units. Okay, next, that is a sixth one. If the points P10, Q50, R52 and S form a rectangle. So rectangle they are saying, they have already told you that if you join them you will get a rectangle. Then find the fourth vertex of S. So here we have, what we're going to do, we'll do a rough figure. Here we have done in a not a rough, fair figure. So if you look at here, first is P10, yes we have P10, Q50, R52 and S. Look at here, if you join them, you can see that we know that rectangle property, that is opposite sides must be equal. Opposite side must be equal. So here this is your how many unit? 1, 2, 3, 4 unit. So it should be 4 unit. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this side 1 and 2. So we'll go this side 1 and 2. So this is your required answer. That is S is okay. So what we're going to mention in the fourth problem? Fourth problem, what was our answer? That is rectangle. So we mention here rectangle, and fifth one square, and the last one S, not last one, second last one, S12, and the last one, seventh one. If the point A00, B20, C22 are three vertices of a square, then find the fourth vertex of the square. So here we have last problem. So seventh number, if you look at here, A00, yes we have, B20 and C22, and we know that it is a square, so a square all sides are equal. So this is your 2 unit, 2 unit, 2 unit, then it must be 2 units. So your coordinate is D02. I hope it is clear to all of you. Thank you.